Whoa. Ho, 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 ho.
So we're just gonna start with some of this Mexican cheese blend. Go ahead and get a little layer all the way around the bottom. Pre-lubed bundt cake pan. Lots of cheese. Everyone likes cheese.
Cheesy top.
And next we'll add some of this just seasoned ground beef. Just regular taco seasoning in there, nothing too crazy. And we're gonna do several layers, so you don't need to put it all in the bottom. Just get a little bit here, get a little on the next layer, so on. And then we have some just refried beans in a bag. These are pre-warmed. Go ahead and get a layer of them in there.
Nice plastic bag hack.
They're hard to spoon in there. I think that's how Taco Bell does it too. I think they have like a caulking gun. And we have some just warmed up black beans here. Just a little bit of garlic powder in there. That's all we did.
Nice and healthy.
I love black beans.
Oh yeah.
Then we're gonna go for some of our nacho cheese. This has also been warmed up on the range. Just give it a little drizzle. And then we're gonna come in with some of these white corn chips. And you don't need to pack them in there, but you do want to get a decent layer. Then we're gonna come back around with our cheese again.
Ooh.
And again with our seasoned beef.
Nice distribution.
Come in with some of these black beans. Then again with our refried beans.
Just a ribbon of refried beans.
And now we're gonna go for some of these yellow corn chips. I like them both. Some people don't like the yellow corn. Now back with our Mexican cheese.
Uno mas.
One last time, yep. Our seasoned beef. I did a pound of beef. You could go more if you like a lot of beef. These black beans. And that's 1 can of black beans there. Come in with our refried beans. A little zip of the nacho cheese. Then one last layer of chips. Okay. So now we can go ahead and put it in the oven at 450 for about 10 minutes. Oh yeah, looks like everything's melty. Okay, now the tricky part. We gotta flip this thing without burning ourselves.
Double cutting board method.
I think that's the ticket.
Yep.
Alakazam.
Yep. Okay. Here's the moment of truth. Whoa. Ho 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 ho.
Look at that.
That is spectacular. That smells awesome.
Okay. Now we got it out. We'll just go ahead and add some shredded lettuce. What's nachos without lettuce? Got that little crunch.
Yep.
We'll do some green onion.
Great flavor.
A little jalapeno. We'll go easy on the black olives because not everyone's a fan.
Yeah.
Tomato.
That is spectacular. Best way to serve nachos. For any game day, whatever you're watching. Football, the basketball, the baseball.
Sports balls.
Any sports balls.
Come in a little bit of that nacho cheese. Got a little bit of hot sauce.
Little zip.
Mm-hmm. And then our sour cream. Wonderful.
Game day is never going to be the same again.
Look at this bite right here.
Mm-hmm.
On the edge. That's the one we're going for.
Oh, it's got it all.
Uh-huh.
Steamy?
Mm-hmm.
Bomb.
Mm-hmm.